So normally YouTube Shorts is missing a lot of key features. It only has a mute and unmute function, so you can't set the volume level to the exact percent that you want. Instead, it'll use the volume level that you had on the last video you watched. There also isn't a way for me to seek through the video. For example, if I missed a part and I want to go back 5 seconds to rewatch it, there's no way for me to do that with the normal interface. But if you have this better YouTube Shorts extension, it'll give you the volume option, so you can,
when you copy from 100 people, it's original.
You can change the volume and put it exactly how you want, and you can also scroll through the video like this. You can even use your arrow keys left and right and go through the video that way like you normally can in regular videos. It also gives you this handy feature where you can save the video to a playlist, which is also something you can't do on the original setup. To install the extension, just go to this link that I'll paste down below and click on this Add to Chrome button. I was previously using Microsoft Edge for the demo, but Chrome works as well. Then click on Extensions here and click this button so that it shows here on this top bar, so it's always visible. And it should work like normal now.
When you copy one person, it's plagiarism.
In case this link doesn't work, don't worry. I'll put a link to the GitHub page of the creator of this extension. They should have an updated link to the new Chrome extension page. And even if they don't, you can always install it manually. I'll show you how to install it manually right now. So first I'm going to remove this. And now it's removed. Then you're going to come up here and click on Code, Download Zip. And this will download the file for the extension. Then you want to scroll down to the instructions, copy and paste this Chrome extensions page. This will bring you up here. Make sure you have this developer mode enabled. This will give you the options that we need. So enable developer mode. Now press this button to show your downloads and then this icon, or you can alternatively just press Ctrl J and then click on this. Both ways will lead you to the same path where you can see your downloads folder and it'll automatically select the file we just downloaded. Now you're going to want to extract this, so click on extract to and then the name of the folder, and this will turn it from a zip file into a regular folder like this. Now you're going to want to go once into that folder. And now just to make sure, I want to click this again, and yeah, I see all the files here. So this is the parent folder of the extension. There's kind of two folders, right? There's like a folder within a folder. So you want to make sure you're in this innermost folder. And then just go back to the extensions page and just drag and drop. I'm going to drag and drop. And there you go. Here it is. The extension has been installed just like that. Now to make it permanently visible, we're just going to go to extensions and click this button, and there we go. And just to show you that it works, if we disable the extension,
when you copy,
all the options will be gone now. But if we re-enable it, then
when you copy one,
we get all those amazing features back. I don't remember if I mentioned this before, but this button right here gives you a lot of options, so make sure to check that out too. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and thank this guy for making this amazing creation. It gives me a little bit more hope in humanity because he's doing YouTube's job for them, frankly.